Welcome, this is the Hot Coffee Investor. Wanted to do an update video today. Another bad hair day, but it is what it is. So I was able to get out of that Nvidia trade today before it dumped today. It dumped hard today. But I was able to get out with, minimal profit, but, I was just happy to get out of that trade. So we are back at 18,400 and something dollars. I was hoping to get 19, but, it is what it is. I was experimenting in my Robinhood account today. That went up 7.6% today, so I'll show you that since there aren't any account numbers. There you go, 7.6%. So, overall today went okay. I mean, I did make a living today, but, it is what it is. Tomorrow I'm certain I will. But although CPI is tomorrow, so be careful of that. If it comes in hot, the market's going to not be very happy. If it comes in at expectations, maybe a green day. If it comes, if it's low, like we're all hoping, then I would say the market's going to rally pretty hard. I'm not expecting it to be low. I'm expecting it to be at expectations based off of what I've been seeing. So I just wanted to do an update video. We are out of that trade, and I'm looking forward to trading tomorrow to add a couple thousand, or maybe, well, let's go for $800 tomorrow. We'll see if we can do 800. I hope everyone did well today. A lot of things are up, but some of the big names are down. It's interesting what's down today and what's up. I think the whole AMD thing is a little, if you're paying attention to AMD right now and not NVIDIA, I think it's a little overblown. AMD's PE ratio is like ridiculous. It's a negative number, and it's a high negative number. So for it to be rallying like this, even on AI chips, it doesn't matter. They don't make any money. So for NVIDIA to even be dropping like this, based off of AMD's new AI chip, it just doesn't make any sense to me, because you got a profitable company and a company that has a negative PE and a very negative PE. So, do your own research on that. I wouldn't be buying AMD. You could be trading AMD. I wouldn't invest in AMD right now. I don't think this is going to make them profitable. Their P ratio is so negative. Let me pull it up while I'm live. Let's do it. Why not? Well, why not? Let's just do it. Let's pull up AMD's thing. Let's see. You can hear me typing away here. AMD's PE ratio is, let's see, is 1,016.48. I want you to just let that sink in. 1,016.48, and people are buying it. Why is that a good idea? They'll never make that much money. Ever. Ever. As an example, let's pull up NVIDIA's PE ratio. Let's do it. NVIDIA's PE ratio is 62.73, which is still high, but 1,016, and people are buying it expecting them to make more money. They'll make a little bit more money, but they're never going to make 1,016 forward PE. It's just not going to happen. So I think people are going to get really hurt eventually. I don't know if right now people are going nuts. It's almost 4% up today. I think it was up 4% at one point today. But if you look at a lot of the other tech companies right now, they're all down decently. So, there may be soon an opportunity here with CPI and PPI coming, and then also the Fed meeting on Wednesday. But I just don't see it, guys. I know some people are excited. You may be excited. I'm not. 1,016 PE, you can have it. That's just not a good ratio at all. It doesn't matter what products they come out with. That's one of the highest PE ratios, I think, in the stock market. That's just uninvestable to me. Now, granted, had I bought it, I would have done great, but you know, I just don't. I cannot. I cannot do something like that. That's just a bad idea. What if it goes down to 40 PE? What's the price of AMD then? Like $30, $39? If it matches Nvidia's PE somehow, it's like $40, maybe $40, if that. It might be $20. That's AMD. That's what it's worth, based off of what they make and what their future earnings could be. $20 to $40, not $134.50 at this moment. I just tanked 134.06. Like in the moment I said it, it dropped 50 cents. But anyway, I wanted to touch base, do an update video, so that way I could tell you, hey, I did get out of that trade. I wish I'd gotten more, but as soon as I got out, I was out. So that was it. And I'm going to be trading Nvidia again tomorrow. Farther, it's going to be probably a March 15th, 2024 475 call or something like that. Nothing crazy. It's still crazy, but it's not that crazy. Probably buy 3 to 5 of them and wait for them to go up $2 to $3 a contract, and make $900 to $1,500. We'll see. But I've got plenty of time for it to do its thing, and that's the whole point. So I hope you all have a good day, good fortune, and you have a good one.